Hello viewers, today we are to discuss another important topics of a statistical subject, that is the measures shape characteristics, and which include measures of skewness and measures of kurtosis. At first we are to discuss the measures of skewness. What do you mean by skewness? That is, what is skewness in statistics? So this is described as follows. Skewness as a measure of shape characteristics of a distribution gives us the idea of the shape of a distribution. In other words, skewness is the lack of symmetry. If a series is not symmetrical, it is said to be asymmetrical or skewed, that is, departure from symmetry. Even when the average and dispersion are same, it is possible to fit many distributions of different shape to them. One question that sometimes arises is the distribution symmetrical or asymmetrical, and if the latter, how asymmetric is it? The answer is generally given in the form of a coefficient of skewness, an abstract quantity, the independent of the unit in which the variable is measured. So viewers, when a distribution is symmetrical, the arithmetic mean, median and mode are equal. The effect of skewness makes this unequal, the value of the median being between the mode and the arithmetic mean, that is mean. It indicates whether one tail of the frequency distribution curve is longer to the other. A distribution is said to be skewed in the direction of extreme values, or speaking in terms of the curve, in the direction of the excess tail. Thus, we have two types of skewed, positive or negative. Positive skew. Skewness of a symmetrical curve is said to be positive if the right side tail is longer than the left side tail. This implies that the arithmetic mean is greater than the mode, that is m greater than mo. Thus, a distribution that is positively skewed implies that the majority of the values are less than the arithmetic mean. Example, income of Bangladeshi people. So now the negative skew. This is as follows. A skewness of an asymmetric curve is said to be negative if the left side tail is longer than the right side tail. This implies that the m is less than the mo, that is m arithmetic mean is less than mode. Thus, a distribution which is negatively skewed implies that the majority of the values are greater than the arithmetic mean, that is the age of death. So viewers, we are now discuss the kurtosis, the measures of kurtosis. So this is as follows. A fourth characteristic used for description and comparison of frequency distribution is the peakness of the distribution. Kurtosis as a measure of shape characteristics of a distribution gives us the idea of this peakness. Kurtosis is in Greek means bulginess. In statistics, kurtosis refers to the degree of flatness or peakness in the region about the mode of a frequency curve. The degree of kurtosis of a distribution is measured relative to the peakness of a normal curve. From the viewpoint of kurtosis, the normal curve is mesokurtic, which means intermediate peakness. Flat top curve, on the other hand, are called platykurtic, and the pronouncedly peaked curves are called leptokurtic. These three types are very important to our in statistics, the measures of shapeness. So viewers, we have to discuss the measures of kurtosis and measures of skewness. So now in next time we have to discuss another topics in a statistical subject, that is a statistic subject.